Yeah. A little overweight girl and probably her mother rang our doorbell to our house today and asking for funding for the Diabetes Foundation. I'm not sure which one of the Diabetes Foundation it was, but typically what happens is that all those money go to the insulin companies and insulin research. So I think it would not benefit the people to give more money to insulin research, because it's just more money for the insulin companies, medical companies, and the medical industry. So I think it's quite sad to see people that don't know the truth about what's going on. So I told them that I'm supporting the cause of health and to minimize diabetes, and maybe just the risk of diabetes will be gone completely, or almost, if people just eat whole food, plant-based. So going vegan. But the important part is that people learn to search in the research that really gives them the most benefit. So I told them that I'm supporting it through wholeplants.dk, heleplanter.dk, and they say thank you and went on, but I'm 100% positive and sure about this, that they won't even think about what I've said, and they'll go back to eating their fatty foods. And yeah, that's just sad. People need to learn more about what's going on around them, without just saying, oh, we just need more insulin, so they, oh, insulin, yeah, and just in their thigh, oh yeah, and I say, oh yeah, Stimpack, Starcraft, yeah. No, it's going to be tough, but we need to get the truth out there. So keep up the good work and eat more whole plants, especially if you have diabetes, and just remove all the fat from your food, because the fat will give a layer of fat in your arteries and all your blood veins, and also your blood veins in your brain. And when sugar comes in, it can't go out the blood vein, because there's all this fat around. So even though you get a lot of insulin transporters to get the sugar out of the blood vein into the muscles where it's needed, and out into the brain where it's needed even more, the fat will destroy this process of the movement of sugar from the food into the vein, and from the veins into your muscles. So please don't eat so much fat. If you like avocados, just eat maybe one a week or something, and no nuts. Just eat some rice and potatoes and whole grain pasta, whole grain bread, to get all the carbohydrates that are needed, and not all the fat. And you get all the fat you need from those foods also, if you eat enough. So yeah, think about what you do. Just think before you just put in all the insulin inside your body, without even thinking if there are any other opportunities around there. So go to heleplanter.dk, and you can contact me if you need more information, or and I will send you a couple of links also in the description below, for the people who know about this disease, and professors and doctors from the US and stuff like that. So go healthy, go vegan. So here we have the grapes we bought. I just need to do something here. So these are actually very good grapes. You can usually tell it by the size of the fruit, and always ask if you can taste the fruit before you buy it. If the fruit dealer doesn't want to let you taste it, don't buy it. Real fruit dealers always let the customers or the people taste the fruit before they sell it or the customer buys it. These are not super sweet, but they are quite good flavor and sweetness to it. But yeah, they're better than any fruit I could find. Grapes are actually quite good. You can get quite good grapes in Denmark compared to lots of other fruit. Melons are quite popular at the moment. I bought like 4 watermelons yesterday, and they were all like, yeah, unedible. But these are good.